What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have a few things to go over with these YieldMax ETFs. I'm going to show you what I did, my alternative, replace YieldMax ETF. But most recent announcement that they made with their distribution is a little surprising, and you're seeing a decrease in net asset value. And for many people that claim that there's no such thing as net asset value erosion, you're seeing a decrease in price per share of some of these yield max. You're also seeing a change in the distribution. So GPTY, it's 27 cents weekly. LFGY, it's 47 cents. YieldMax Nasdaq 100 covered call ETF, 27 cents. RDTY, YieldMax ODT covered call ETF. That's the Russell 2000, 30 cents. The S&P 500 ODT covered call ETF SDTY, it's at 21 cents. ULTY has dropped significantly in its distribution and price per share at 9 cents. YMAG is now at 8 cents. YMAX is now 13. The babo option income strategy ETF is 75 cents. The YieldMax short NVDY option income strategy ETF, 58 cents. FBY, it's now 55 cents. That's a decrease. YieldMax Gold Miners option income strategy ETF, that's 63. YieldMax JPM Morgan option income strategy ETF is 37. YieldMax MARO option income strategy ETF, 147. YieldMax mRNA option income strategy ETF 18. NVDY has dropped significantly. Distribution at 78 cents. The YieldMax PLTR option income strategy ETF is at 532. So we're going to look at MARO and PLTY right now. I got some bad news with MARO. Since inception, past year, it's down 46.80%. The S&P is only up 9%. So it is dropping significantly. That's a problem. Look at its distribution, it's going down as well. So let's go look at that. So looking at its distribution, 249, 210, 155. So we have a pattern of a decrease in net asset value, a decrease in the distribution here. Now we're going to jump to PLTY. Now this one's a little interesting. So right now it's currently up. Exception 28.76. It's $67.06. So it's not doing too bad right now. But we got to think about long term, because see this jump. It was down and it was up, up. Now it's starting to go down, significant decrease. So the past month, it's down 6.16%. The past 6 months, it's good, 38.39%. Past 5 days, it's up 7%. Past day, it's down 306. Year to date, down 4.81%. So that could be the mark of equilibrium. So that's one thing that kind of concerns me. PLTY. I'm going to jump to the distribution. So this distribution rate, 111.72%, is a little alarming. So this was a really good distribution of 590. Problem is, if you look at the trends, yes, that was huge. Look at 11/6/2024, 220, 12/04, 334, one in January 2nd, 350, and January 29th, 298, and February the 593 distribution. But again, I'm going to jump back to most recent. The announcement was at $5.32. Distribution is 100 point. So the one thing that I have, sustainability. Look at NVDY. I'm going to jump to NVDY right now. But NVDY since inception is down 15.13%. NVIDIA has been doing pretty well. But NVDY is down. So that raises some alarms for me. I'm glad I sold a lot of these YieldMax ETFs at the right time. Even look at TSLY. TSLY is down 47.18%. Right now it's $8.50. They're starting to get a risk of a split. I don't know if they're sustainable unless if they. I'm going to be honest with you. That's some things that concern me a little bit. Is net asset value erosion. Even if you reinvest, sometimes it's going down. Market isn't the best right now. The market's at an equilibrium. Things are not good. The market's down. Not good for these. Look what I've been buying real quick. You know what I've been buying? TSLP. I actually threw $400 in today with TSLP. It's only down 4.29%. Option. Right now, TSLP is actually down 23.35%, down $5.84. TSLY is down 79.16% since it started, down $32.36. I feel so good with my decision buying SLP. The other thing that I plan on doing with the Kurv yield ETFs, I'm going to show you their distribution schedule. So right here with the distribution schedule, TSLP 1, AMZ week 2, hoping AAPY and OOP added on finance soon. So if you are interested in these Kurv yield ETFs, message M1 Finance, requested as a security because I want it on. And I'm going to implement its strategy. And then I have the Netflix, the Kurv yield premium strategy Netflix in week 4. So I'm going to start investing into these ETFs, hoping that they add AAPY and GE and MSFY because I can start adding these and earning passive income and use it to buy high yielders, use the high yielders to dividend growth stock. So I can do that, add these, implement my dividend investing strategy. It's going to be pretty serious. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow. Take care and have a good one. I'm going to jump to disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. Be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice and a tax advisor for tax advice. Anything you buy, lose money. So you have to be aware and do your diligence. You don't have to buy things because I buy things. Well, showing you my passive journey. Take care and have a good one.